All about Instagram advertisement, Part 1. Today Instagram has 950 plus million active users, according to Statista, and the rate of rapid growth it has seen since 2013 is pretty astounding. What is Instagram advertising? Instagram advertising is a method of paying to post sponsored content on the Instagram platform to reach a larger and more targeted audience. Instagram offers incredible opportunities for businesses of all sizes to reach their target audiences. Why use Instagram ads? Since Instagram launched advertising on its platform in 2015, Instagram ads have driven more than 1 billion user actions. 5 reasons to use Instagram ads. 1. Audience growth. Instagram is one of the fastest growing social media platforms. 2. Attention. Users spend, on average, 50 minutes a day on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. 3. Intent. A study by Instagram found that 60% of Instagram users say that they learn about products and services through Instagram. 4. Targeting. Instagram ads use Facebook's advertising system, which has probably the most powerful targeting ability. 5. Results. According to Instagram, which looked at more than 400 campaigns globally, ad recall from Instagram ads were 2.8 times higher. Instagram campaign objectives. 1. Brand awareness, ideal for reaching users who would engage with your ad and to bring general awareness around your brand. 2. Reach, this is for brands trying to get ads in front of the most people possible. 3. Traffic, if your goal is to get users to visit a site, landing page, or app, a traffic goal is perfect. 4. Engagement, if you want users to like, comment, or share your ad, it's best to set your objective to engagement. 5. App installs, this goal is for brands directing users to the App Store to download or purchase apps. 6. Video views, in-stream ads play in users' feeds to show production, product launches, and behind-the-scenes footage to visually entice users into watching. Trying to simply find people interested in or somewhat curious about your brand? Set a lead gen goal. 8. Messages, this encourages users to interact with your brand to answer product questions, provide support, or complete purchases. 9. Conversions, if you're looking for direct sales actions on your ads, such as adding payment info or making a purchase, conversions are the ideal goal. 10. Catalog sales, the format is for brands showing products from your product catalog, must set one up to use this format, which then targets your audience. 11. Store traffic, this is perfect for those promoting multiple business locations to drive more in-store visits.